Hello friends, today we are going to discuss lexical specification. In last lecture we are already discussed about the lexical analyzer generator lex. So what is lexical analyzer generator lex? The lexical file is given to the lex or flex compiler. The output of flex compiler or lex compiler is a lex.yy.c. It is a C version of a lexical file or user routines or user defined functions. Now the lex.yy.c file is compiled by C compiler. The output of C compiler is a.out, that is a executable file. Now in hand we have a.out, that is executable file. Here we are going to give one input as a input whatever it might be, and the output we will get our token. So just like same, every C program or remaining other programming languages has their different structure or syntax. Just like same, the lexical programming has their particular format. The format is definition or declaration, translation rule, and user code. So what is definition section or declaration section? The definition section or declaration section, as its name suggests, here we are going to define or declare the variables. Here we are going to declare the user identifiers. Here we are going to define the constants, header files, okay, routines or function, which we are going to use in a translation rule or auxiliary procedure section. Now what is the syntax? The syntax is just like its name and definition. In example we are already discussed, digit is a variable and the pattern is 0 to 9, and identifier. Just like same, in definition section we are going to define or describe the variables or identifier. Now next, translation rule or rule section. So as its name suggests, here what we are going to describe, here we are going to describe the translation rule, that is what kind of action which is to be performed whenever the given pattern is satisfied. Suppose we have a pattern that is a 0 to 1. 0 to 1, it is a pattern. So what will be the action we are going to take over here? So the action is, the given number is a binary number. Suppose we have a pattern just like 0 to 7. So what will be there? 0 to 7, it is a octal number, just like same hexadecimal. Okay, so here we are discuss the example identify. Whenever id is satisfied, then we have to describe the an identifier, display the variable, display the value of that particular variable. So here yy text and yy length are the variables. What we can say that these are the system variable where the value which is to be stored. Now next, user code section or user section or auxiliary procedure. So these are the, what we can say that auxiliary procedure is a user defined section, or what we can say that it is a optional section in a lexical program. So void main, or if you wanted to describe yylex function, ywrap function in a lexical program, or here we wanted to describe define or call any other another subroutine or routines which is to be or functions, so we can describe in a user code section. So this is for lexical specification. Okay, thank you.